It's that time of a month again. Yes, I am on my period. Just kidding. Well, I'm not kidding. I am on my period. But what I mean by that is it is time to go over my monthly favorites. That's right. That's right. Now, we're gonna go ahead and pretend my hair looks stunning and gorgeous and amazing because I was out tanning, didn't wash it. It's looking a little funky, a little scary, but you guys don't care, right? Right? You guys don't care. The fact that it is the end of March and we're already doing a March favorites is actually crazy. I think I just posted my February favorites like, I don't know, 2 seconds ago. I can't believe how fast this year is flying by. And I almost didn't make this video because I'm like, I just made this video. I just did this. But oh well. And Loki, we've got a lot. She's kind of filled. She's kind of filled to the brim. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with a pair of shoes. Hi! I got these in LA when I was there at the end of last month. These are Solomon's. I don't know which ones these are. They look like this. When I was staying with my friend Macy, she wore these to Disneyland when we went, and I said, I want those. These are my favorite shoes ever. I've been wearing so much more athletic wear, so I can wear these more. These are some of the comfiest shoes I've ever put on my body, or my feet actually, I guess. I am obsessed with them. The look of them is so sleek, so cool girl, and every time I put them on they eat, and I love them. Gonna wear them today when I run my errands. So now on to other things, my little basket I have here. First and foremost is my Olympus film camera. This is the Olympus Zoom 140. I don't know if that's like what it's called, but she's this one. Everyone and their mother has this film camera, honestly, but it's because it is that good. I brought this to LA with me and I used up the whole film and I just dropped it off yesterday and I'm so excited to get it back. And then I will be taking this on my Hawaii trip. Yeah. And the pictures just look so just perfect and great, and I don't know, something about a film picture just brings me so much happiness. I keep it in my purse and I bring it around with me, and I love my Digi camera, but I fear everyone has a digital camera. I fear that is what everyone has these days, and so I thought I'd be different and get a film camera. Cha-ching! Next, let's do some hair products because I have a few. I have like 2, maybe. First is this black MEJ clip. This is the big effing clip. It's black. This is my favorite clip. I've used this every single day this month. I have a ton of MEJ clips. They're my absolute favorite clips in the entire world. And I use them every single day because I wear them to Pilates so I'm not damaging my hair with a hair tie. And oh, I freaking love the clips. But this black one, she goes with everything. She gives cool girl. She gives don't care, hot, sexy, who, me, model off duty vibes. I love it. And no, your hair won't budge if you use these. Okay? They won't budge. I love MEJ clips, but especially this black one. I've been using this a lot. Speaking of MEJ, we actually have another MEJ product right here. This is the new flexible styling cream, Angel Hold. I have been obsessed with this for my slick backs. I love a good slick back. Y'all know that. I like the texture of it. I like the look. It gives my hair very shiny, but not like greasy shiny, just like very slick shiny. Duh, it's a slick back. I've been obsessed with it, and I've been reaching for this every time I do my hair because I think it just looks really, really great. Next, I have 2 Lemmy gummies. I love Lemmy gummies. Do they do much? I don't really know. But the sleep ones, I swear by. I love the sleep. Lemmy Sleep. Love it. Everything else I don't really know, but these 2, this is the Lemmy Multi-Woman's Daily Gummies and the Immunity Gummies, and I've been taking these and I'm just trying to take better care of myself and better care of my health and my gut and whatever you want to say, and I think that it makes it fun that it's a gummy, and it's got to be doing something, right? It's not like it's doing nothing, but how much is it doing? I don't know, but I've been really liking these. Love. Moving on. Now that it's getting summer, it's March, but the Utah weather has been so lovely. Do you guys see that tan line? Yeah, I've been tanning again, loving it so much. Thank you. And this is back in my rotation. This is my pride and joy. I love this stuff. This is the Hawaiian Tropic Body Butter After Sun Lotion. This is going to make your tan a good tan is a moisturized tan. This stuff, I don't know what magic is in here, but it just brings your tan to life, genuinely. It smells so good too. It smells like summertime on the beach. It smells like bananas, kind of. I like it. I'm obsessed with this, so I have been using this a ton. It keeps my skin so hydrated, moisturized, helps my tan develop so well. I'm obsessed. Speaking of tanner, I know we're literally just talking about actual tan. But speaking of tanning, we're going to talk about a self tanner. This is the new Loving Tan 10-minute express body mask thing. I've been obsessed with this. I love to put it on my chest and neck, and then right before I shower, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then it just gives my neck and chest some color, because I like to put a lot of bronzer on that when I don't have a lot of color here, it just, the vibes aren't vibing. And I love that it's 10 minutes and it continues to develop after the 10 minutes as well. So I've been using this a ton. It's very helpful, very nice. I don't think I would ever use this for like all over my body because it was pretty expensive for how much you're getting. I feel like if I'm gonna do my whole body, I might as well just like do my whole body, but anyway. I have one perfume this month. This is the new Summer Fridays Sunlit Vanilla perfume. This is summer in a freaking bottle. Yes, give it to me. It smells so good. I'm also obsessed with this packaging. Like, yeah, I'm obsessed. I think it's really good and I really enjoy it. Now let's move on to makeup. Starting off with 2 skin prep items. These are the 2 skincare products I've been using the most to prep my skin for makeup. Why aren't we focused on me? Thank you. First, we have the Personal Day Soft Slip Priming Milk. This is the best milky toner thing I've ever tried. Okay, I've tried a lot too. This is so good. One thing I love about this is like Personal Day's whole thing is like being acne safe. And as an acne prone girly, hi, this is really great. Like, it's super thick. Like, it's a thick milky toner. I don't like when they're too watery. It just feels so soft on the skin. It hydrates so well, and I swear it just like makes my skin hydrated for the rest of the day. Makeup layers so beautifully on top of it. I literally am obsessed with this. This is like one of my new favorite products. Then on top of it, I will use the Tatcha, the Dewy Milk Moisturizer. I love the Dewy Skin Cream one. This is the milk one, so it's a little bit more liquidy, which I think really helps with going under makeup. Gives a very glowy base. These 2 together literally make you look like a literal glazed donut, and I'm so obsessed. It's been my favorite. I do these, and then what other like a primer, like I love the Danessa Myricks primer, but sometimes I will just do this, and then my bronzer drops. So good, so good. For skin, I have 2 products. First is, you guys know I love the Color Science sunscreens. I have a regular sunscreen, I have the bronze, I have the glow, and when I got the glow and the bronze one, they actually sent them to me, and they sent over this flex one as well. I just never tried it, but I tried it recently. I'm loving it. It gives a very beautiful look to the skin, very skin-like, very my skin but better. Evens out your skin tone, doesn't do too much coverage but enough to like do something, and it's protecting my skin. I think it looks beautiful. I think it's grand. I think did I talk about this already? This is the Forever Glow Star Filter from Dior. I also really love this. This is definitely very light coverage. However, I think it brings such a beautiful glow to the skin and just looks really good. It's super glowy. And if you know me at all, you know I love to glow. I love to be a little sunshine type of deal. And I really like it. I think it looks really good. I mean, there's not much to say. It just looks good. Okay, trust me. Speaking of glow, this is another product like this lotion that is back in my rotation that I'm obsessed with. This is the Patrick Ta for face and body glow bomb. Yeah. This is She's on Vacation, guys. This stuff is the best stuff in the entire world. I just take like a big kabuki brush like this and then run it on my chest. Like, yeah, like it just I feel like it just elevates any look. I will also put it like on my shoulders. I'll put it on my neck. Like, ugh, I love this stuff for the summertime. I love to glow on my face. Like, I love glowy products on my face, but I love glowy products on my body as well. And this is one of my favorite. It also smells delicious. And I feel like it just looks so good to have like a glowy decolletage. Decolletage? I don't know, whatever you call that, this thing right here. Obsessed. Next, we have the 2 new Rhode blush shades. We have Teacup and we have Candy Apple. They were kind enough to send me Teacup, and then I kept seeing people use Candy Apple, and I said, I need both. So I bought Candy Apple, and they are that good. I have every single color of the Rhode blushes. I do use all of them too. That's the crazy part. They are my favorite cream blushes ever. They're so good. And Teacup is just like me if I was a blush. But I also love Candy Apple for like that just like fresh face, no makeup, little you know? Oh, they just look so good. I love that you can layer these so well either together with other blushes. You can layer them on top of powders. I love the way they look on the face, very like glowy, hydrating. They're blendable. Yeah, I would honestly say these are very like beginner friendly because I feel like they're super easy to use and it's hard to kind of mess up because I feel like the pigment is there but it's not too pigmented where I feel like you just use too much it looks bad. Like you can build it. They're really great and I love these two colors, especially for the spring and the summertime. I'm obsessed. Speaking of the Rhode summer shades, now we have all the lip gloss I've been loving. Well, they're like all lip balms basically, but the two new shades of the Rhode tinted peptide lip treatments. You guys knew I was gonna say this. I love these colors. I'm wearing Pretzel today. Pretzel smells just divine. I could eat it, but Sweet Pea is my favorite color I think she's ever come out with. I bought another one for my car because I love it that much. I was bringing it everywhere with me, so I was like, oh, I'll just have one for my makeup test and one for when I'm beat bopping around. But this is my favorite color she's ever come out with. Again, perfect for spring. I love these. I love the lip peptide treatments. Mine don't usually get grainy. I don't know. I also love the tinted ones. I love the sparkly ones. Like they're just so good and they look beautiful. They're not sticky. I love them. Next, we have this Anfisa Skin and Gloss Ceramide Lip Tint in Angel Food. This is new. I am obsessed with it. They sent me this. I haven't stopped using it. It lives in my car. I love it. It is like a light pink that has sparkles in it and it is so divinely amazing that I love it more than I love anything else. I actually love it and it feels so good on the lips and so hydrating and she's a keeper. Then I actually did a review on this on my TikTok. If you guys didn't watch that, that means you don't follow my TikTok and so you should go follow my TikTok. It's just Tilly Joan. Just go hang out with me over there. But this is the Lip Butter Cake Kylie Skin Lip Balm. This stuff has like been my favorite. I'm obsessed with this color. It's like a nude. It smells so good. Feels so good on the lips. Like I love me a lip balm that's thick but isn't goopy and that's glossy but isn't sticky. And that's what all of these are that I'm describing here. It's like on the thinner side of like a thick lip balm, but it's still really great. Oh, and it's really glossy. And last but not least, we have these, oh, I don't know how to say this. Edam? Is that how you say it? This is their lip softening balm in the shade Shaved Ice. First of all, loving the metal tip and this color is so divine. Honestly, wear this all the time without like any lip liner or anything because it is like basically the color of my lips, but just adds a little, you know, which I love. And it's super thick. It's not goopy, it's not sticky, but it's thick and it feels so good on the lips. I have really dry lips always, no matter what. And I am obsessed with this. This has also lived in my car and been one of my favorite lip balms to reach for. I love it. I really do. It's really good. I've been using this a ton. And yeah, that is everything I have from this month that I have been loving. My March favorites. Love it! Oh, so glad we could sit down and talk about these things together. Truly. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully maybe you want to try some of these products and you find a new favorite of yours. If not, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for listening to me talk. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to slay. I love you. Bye.